Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off call waiting on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we're going to go down and tap on Phone. Next, go down to the Calls section and tap on Call Waiting. And in call waiting, we're going to tap on the switch to turn it off, or tap on the switch to switch it on. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or turn off call waiting on the iPhone 13 series. Finally, you can swipe up at the bottom to go back to your home screen, or you can tap on the back key at the top to go back into settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.